Good morning, student. Lesson number 17. Effects of light. Eclipses. What is an eclipse? The moon revolves about the earth, and here the earth, along with the moon, revolves around the sun. Their orbit of revolutions are of different. When the sun, moon, and the earth comes in a straight line, an eclipse is said to be taken place. Here, this is the natural phenomena. Eclipses are of two types: solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Already you had learned in previous classes about eclipses. Now, first, solar eclipse. The sun is an extended source of light which is extremely big in size. When the moon comes in between the sun and the earth, the sunlight is obstructed by the moon. Thus, the shadow of the moon falls on the earth. The sun can be seen partially or cannot be seen completely from the part in the shadow. This phenomena is called the solar eclipse. When the solar disk is completely converted or covered by the moon, the eclipse is called a total solar eclipse. When the solar disk is not covered fully by the moon, the eclipse is said to be a partial solar eclipse. Observe the diagram 17.6. There are two types of eclipses are shown in this diagram. Now, the harmful ultraviolet rays emerging from the sun reaches the earth even during a solar eclipse. Thus, it was said that solar eclipse should not seen or watched with the naked eyes. Instead of, you have to use a special type of goggle should be used to see or watch it. Solar eclipse takes place only on a new moon day. It should be noted that solar eclipse doesn't occur on every new moon day. Means when you want to see the solar eclipse, it should be new moon day, and sun, moon, and the earth should be come in a one line. Now, second is the lunar eclipse. When the earth comes in between the sun and the moon in space, the earth obstructs the sunlight. Thus, the shadow of the earth. Have you observed this diagram? The shadow of the earth when it falls on the moon, this phenomena is called the lunar eclipse. When the shadow of the earth is cast on the whole moon, the eclipse is called a total lunar eclipse. If a part of moon comes in the shadow of the earth, this eclipse is called the partial lunar eclipse. A lunar eclipse can be seen with the naked eyes. Lunar eclipse takes place on full moon day. Now, last topic, do you know eclipses occur in solar system, and you should have to know that as we see it from the earth, when a planet or star passes behind the moon, that state is called occultation. This phenomenon is called occultation. When a planet or a solar system passes behind the moon, that state is called occultations. This is the common phenomena that occur with the sun, the moon, or other stars. For example, in 2016, the star called Rohini was hidden behind the moon. After some time, it appeared on the other side of the moon. Now, did you know what is meant by occultation now? Occultation. Here, occultation, when a planet or star gets covered behind the moon, this phenomena is called occultation. Now, last topic of this lesson, time period of lunar and solar eclipses. An eclipse does not occur every month. Up to 3 eclipses may occur during the eclipse season. For example, in 2017, lunar eclipse, solar eclipse, lunar eclipse, and then solar eclipse. Solar eclipses occur 2 to 5 times a year, and lunar eclipses occur once or twice in a year. Now, second question. Various eclipses in the past and revealed interesting information about them. Now, 6th of July 1982, total lunar eclipse. The moon passed through the center of the Earth's shadow. In 16th of July 2000, the total lunar eclipse. Total timing is 1.46 hour and 24 minutes. The Eastern Australia got the best view. Now, eclipses and transits which will occur in the near of the future. Now, 17th of August 2017 lunar partial eclipse. Now, August 2017 solar total eclipse. January 2018 lunar total eclipse. 5th of January 2019 solar partial eclipse. 20th of January 2019 lunar total eclipse. In this way, you will get to see the various eclipses and coming eclipses in the future. Now, last topic of this lesson is zero shadow day. What is meant by zero shadow day? A day on which the sun reaches exactly overhead is called zero shadow day. On that day, the noon shadow completely disappears. This event can be only seen in the region in between the Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree north and Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degrees south. This event occurs in summer on different days in different places in these regions. Now, always remember, an eclipse is a natural phenomenon. Many superstitions connected to eclipse are prevalent in the society. It is necessary that everyone make effort to rid the societies of superstitious beliefs. Means you should not believe that eclipses are happen because of some reasons. These are happen because these are natural phenomena. You should have to know that. In this way, the lesson gets over.